Hey everybody, I'm Sean. Welcome to another episode of Adventuring Spiders. Welcome back everybody. On today's episode, we are starting the day here in Cambodia at the Apokpo Rat Center. We are going to learn how they train rats to find landmines. There are a ton of landmines left over in Cambodia from the various wars that have happened here. Estimates in the hundreds of thousands. And so they train rats to sniff out TNT to find the mines so that they can clear them. So we're going to go to the center and let's learn some more about it. So let's get going. Alright, so here we are inside the rat center, and they've got some information panels here that you can go through on how they train the rats, how they care for the rats, how it works, where they've been used around the world. And you can see all over the place they've listed some here where these rats have helped remove landmines. So, and we are actually going to see a demonstration later today. Apparently even get to potentially hold the rats themselves. So, pretty cool. Strobe lighting here, the LEDs. Make this a little bit difficult to see because it strobes, but these are some of the landmines that have been cleared by the rats. This map shows the parts of the world in red where there are still landmines. Countries in green that had landmines, but they're clear. Countries in white never had them. The other thing that these rats can search for is unexploded ordnance. And this map shows the areas that were bombed during the Vietnam War, every one of these dots, and 26 million explosive ordnance bombs dropped on Cambodia during the Vietnam War. So there's a lot of unexploded ordnance out there as well. So this is the area where we're going to get a demonstration on how it works. We've got some pits set up and just even some displays you can see right here. They've got a fake landmine cordoned off, as well as some unexploded ordnance over here. This is just for demonstration purposes. And then I think over here, they're going to actually bring out a rat and show us how it works. This is the demonstration area. They just brought out the rat. These are some big rats, Tasmanian rats. And this one's called Silver. It's going to do the demonstration of showing us how it's going to find the TNT ball.
How far away can you smell?
They don't have to be close to that. They can smell about 1 meter deep down and 1 meter round here. So the first container that Silver just passed by is just an empty one. We have the second container, some metal bags, and let him try it for you. Clicking, come together remote.
Go patrol. Go patrol.
Say hi to you. Yes, smile the camera, Jordan. Smile for good pose.
Okay, very good. Cute. Very cute. Very cute. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for our visit here at the Apokpo Rat Center. Very, very interesting and very informative, and obviously very important to the Cambodian people. And now we are going to head to a village out in the countryside to learn about making rice noodles.